Have you ever dreamed of living in coastal Georgia on the water? I have the perfect house for you. All brick, 4-bed, 2.5 bath home with a dock and a boat lift, a dock house, and a brand new shop that I have to show you. I can't wait to show you around.
Out front, we have these beautiful, majestic oaks, palm trees. It's all brick and has this beautiful stone in the front. Here is your entrance. Look at that stained glass. It's beautiful. So from the entryway, you can see straight out through those windows. 2-story ceiling. Let's go left first. There's a hallway and a half bath for guests. Hardwood floors. And this is your primary bedroom. Fireplace. A little bump out. And then double doors into the primary bath. Double sink, more stained glass. Large tub. Separate shower. Closet and toilet have a door. High ceilings and a ceiling fan. There's a lot of ceiling fans. Again, hardwood floors. So we'll go around this way to the right of the door. And there's a little hallway, laundry room, closet, and your 2-car garage. Dining room, right off the kitchen with a wide opening. Let's go around and take a look at the living room. Again, really high ceilings, fireplace, built-ins. And that view. Again, a really wide entryway here, so it's very open, but yeah, there's the vision. So you have breakfast nook overlooking that beautiful backyard. An island. Pantry. A corner sink where again you can take in all the views. And a wide entrance into the dining room. Gas stove. A lot of storage space in these cabinets. And then you have a sunroom here. The door to the outside. And that view. So if you put a door here, you can this could even be a whole separate like apartment if you wanted or needed, like a mother-in-law suite type of thing. Because this leads to another bedroom, which they have a sink and microwave. It's pretty much set up to be a mother-in-law, like studio apartment. Because you have like living room space over here. Here's your bedroom space, closet. And then its own full bath. So you either have like 2 primaries on the first floor, or this room could have a lot of different uses. So upstairs you can see the high ceilings. It's nice and open up here. Upstairs you have 2 bedrooms. A little linen closet. Bedroom 1 upstairs. As you can see, this chair is here because this view is incredible. There's the dock house. Beautiful landscaping. Marsh and the river. That view is everything. And then we have a shared bath. With a door for the shower and toilet. Leads around through to the other bedroom upstairs. So 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom upstairs, and back out to the hallway. All right, let's take a look out back. You have a deck right here off the sunroom. And views of the river. There's the dock house. The oyster shell walkway. Pretty natural landscaping. Looks like a movie. It's so pretty back here. Here's your dock house. Screened-in porch. Swing. Storage up here for fishing poles. You have appliances out here. Really cool. Really cool building out here. Let's take a look down at the dock. Fish washing station. Look at these incredible views. This is why you buy the property. You can see all the little crabs. And a little boat lift. It's low tide right now, obviously. You can still see that water moving. So here is the house. Right, neighbors. And then this is the workshop. This is part of the property as well. Is that new roof on there? This is inside the workshop. It has air conditioning on right now. See the lofted ceiling, the insulation. There's the air conditioning unit on the wall. Nice windows. Fridge for storage. He's got sanders and saws and planers. And vacuums and a workbench. This is a very large workshop.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to view these videos and other ones we put out.